Have you been trying to catch a leprechaun but he always gets away? Let me tell you about a major advancement in leprechaun trap technology. Automation! That's right, you too can create a sensor-activated leprechaun trap that's sure to trick your sneaky little leprechaun into giving you 3 wishes! All you need are some basic components from Brown Dog Gadgets, Lego, and some craft materials. Here's an overview, but head on over to browndoggadgets.com for the full tutorial. Now that you've got your leprechaun, remind him that he owes you 3 wishes!